Day 2. Working on here. There's no way I'm going to be able to get a road all the way back to that big clearing way back there before winter. So I was sitting there thinking about it last night. Have Logan and I work on getting this road cleared up, passable, have somebody come in and throw some gravel right up here where we see the, well, you can't see shit with the sun in the middle. South facing right there. So right about here to over there, that's probably about another 60-70 feet right here. I'm starting to cut a straight line through here. I'm going to carve out a small rectangle right here, and I'm going to put up a small cabin just so I have something that I can put tools in and work out of while we spend the next summer going that way. So hopefully I can try to get something in here before winter. And I got a little spot here I'm going to clear out at probably about, I'd say, 60 foot by 70 foot. Put a small cabin on it, south facing into the sun. And the road's back there behind the Jeep, so we're still pretty private. But gotta try to get something in here before winter. I cut all this down today. This little spot. Over and out. Hey, smile. Hungry. Sausage cooking in a can we found out in the woods. Actually he found it. Got some more progress. Awesome. End of day 2. I'm gonna put the small cabin right here so we have something that we can store all our stuff in. There's a pile we're gonna have to clean up tomorrow. There's my indentured servant. This is what he was doing. Working on this. And tomorrow we'll clean up this big mess. Then we'll worry about pulling out the stumps and everything and get to drive some road gravel in so we can put up a cabin. What do you think of Logan? Tired?
Yeah.
Should we go home and relax? You gotta put the stuff in the Jeep.